If you're getting the Forza Horizon 6 connection lost error 0x8060039 on PC, don't worry because this issue is usually caused by Xbox network service problems, unstable internet connections, server outages, firewall restrictions, corrupted gaming services components, or account synchronization issues. The error can disconnect you from online sessions, prevent you from joining Horizon Live, or stop multiplayer features from working properly. In this video, I'll show you several working fixes that can help resolve error 0x8060039 and restore your online connection. Solution 1. Check Forza Horizon and Xbox server status. The first thing you should do is check whether Xbox Live services or Forza Horizon servers are experiencing outages. If multiplayer services are down, you'll need to wait until Microsoft restores the affected services. Solution 2. Restart your network equipment. Temporary network issues can trigger connection lost errors. Restart your router and modem completely, wait a few minutes, reconnect to the internet, and then launch Forza Horizon 6 again. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into Xbox app. Authentication problems between your Microsoft account and Xbox services can cause online connectivity issues. Sign out of the Xbox app, restart your PC, sign back in, and then launch the game again. Solution 4. Repair gaming services. Gaming services is required for Xbox games to function correctly on PC. Open Windows Settings, navigate to Apps, locate Gaming Services, select Advanced Options, and click Repair. If the issue continues, use the Reset option as well. Solution 5. Allow Forza Horizon 6 through Firewall. Windows Firewall or third-party security software may block multiplayer connections. Add Forza Horizon 6, Xbox app, and gaming services to your firewall's allowed list and test the game again. Solution 6. Disable VPN or proxy connections. VPNs and proxy services can interfere with Xbox network communication. Disable any VPN or proxy software temporarily and check whether error 0x8060039 disappears. Solution 6. Verify game files. Damaged game files can cause online service failures. Open the Xbox app or Steam, locate Forza Horizon 6, and use the Verify or Repair Files option to scan and replace corrupted files. So those are some of the best fixes for Forza Horizon 6 connection lost error 0x8060039 on PC. In most cases, the issue is caused by Xbox service interruptions, gaming services problems, network configuration issues, or firewall conflicts. Hopefully one of these methods helped restore your online connection. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below which fix worked for you.